Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing 4 cryptos which are PhoenixGlobal, Fetch.ai, Algorand and Rocket Pool. We will see which one might be the best pick over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our real-time trading signals and our analysis on cryptos, stocks, commodities and forex. Then you can join our community at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Let's start with Phoenix Global New. In the right section of the chart, we've deployed a volume profile. Now, what we see here is a very long histogram around 0.50 US dollar. In other words, the whales will be defending this level. Then we strongly believe that Phoenix Global will be moving higher over the next weeks to retest the 1.50 US dollar area. So right now it is worth 0.62 US dollar. That means that actually Phoenix Global might be a very great, very good risk-reward ratio crypto to invest on over the next weeks. Now, if we move on and we analyze Fetch.ai, we see a completely different chart. Let's say that between Phoenix Global and Fetch.ai, we definitely favor Phoenix Global. So what we see here, if we analyze this increase in terms of volume, this one is a point of control, which is detected even by the volume profile. And when that happens, after a period of, in this case, uptrend, we should be expecting actually a reversal, which actually happened. So in terms of price action, Fetch.ai might keep moving downward, still testing this area. Okay, around 0.15 US dollar. From here, we believe in a rebound. Okay, so in terms of relative strength, there are no doubts between Phoenix Global and Fetch.ai. So while Phoenix Global might move higher, and there is plenty of space to move higher, for Fetch.ai, the current scenario is quite different, it's more complicated, because as you can see here, there are those two big histograms which are actually capping Fetch.ai. So Fetch.ai will be actually probably a very good buy only after having tested 0.15 US dollar. Let's move on and let's analyze Algorand. Okay, the very first thing that appears once we analyze Algorand is actually here, is this huge increase in terms of volumes, which is also detected by the volume profile. Right now, what is happening is that we have detected a bullish divergence between the price action and the RSI. Now, we just deployed RSI, but we could have deployed the MACD or whatever indicator. We did it only in order to understand if there are divergences with the price action. Now, it's interesting to explain that once we see this kind of a huge increase in terms of volumes, the movement can keep, in this case the downtrend can keep moving downward, yet after a while, normally after a few weeks, we should see actually the result, the consequences of having detected such a big volume. Okay, so our idea is that very soon Algorand might move higher as a result of those volumes. Okay, of course, the higher, okay, the movement, the upward movement will be capped by this volume at 0.45 US dollar. So from here we might see some squeezing, and then actually a new attack to the 1 US dollar area. Okay, but right now we are at 0.11 US dollar, so it's a little bit too early before speaking about a new attack at 1 US dollar. So before we need to see new volumes here, we need to see upcoming volumes in order to defend this area. Yet we are quite optimistic considering this bullish divergence. Let's move on and let's analyze Rocket Pool. Rocket Pool has a fantastic chart. However, we have a point of control here at 50 US dollar. That means that most probably Rocket Pool will be keeping moving downward, still 30 US dollar is a very first target. So what the chart is telling us is extremely clear. There are no doubts. Okay, so Rocket Pool tried to break above the previous highs, and actually it happened twice. Right now we have a double top, which is obviously a reversal pattern. Here we see an increase in terms of volumes. So from 40 US dollar, we might see a rebound. Yet, actually, the chart is not that positive considering this huge histogram. Okay, this red volume is a point of control. Point of control which is happening actually at the end of a very strong uptrend. Which means that for Rocket Pool we favor a movement downwards rather than upwards. Okay, so for now we do not see the conditions to see Rocket Pool breaking above this area around 60 US dollars. So most probably Rocket Pool will keep moving downwards. Okay guys, if you like the video, you can leave a thumb up, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you want to receive our analysis and our trading signals on crypto, stocks, commodities and forex, then you can join us at patreon.com/financial trading academy. You will find the link in the description field. Thank you guys.